Hello, in this video I'll show you how to enable this green tracking indicator right here on your DJI Osmo Mobile 8. You can see that when I enter the camera on my phone or the DJI Osmo DJI MIMO app or anything else and start tracking by pressing on the green button on the back. First, I'll set it to my face. Okay, now I should be able to enable tracking, although I can't. Let's try unlocking the phone. Okay, now it should be tracking me now. Okay, you can see this green icon. It is tracking me actively. And if you'd like to see it with this green tracking indicator here, you can slide down from the top of your screen, go to settings and enable it like so. Now you can see it is blinking because it's actively tracking me. If I stop tracking, then it'll be, it's now not tracking me, but it's green solid light. And if tracking is unavailable because there's nothing to track, then it'll probably tell me that by disabling the light. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.